I introduced for loop, and as I mentioned, usually we're using when we know how many repeat gonna do. Also about while, we have another loop named until. Allow me to define a variable dim I as integer and give initial value 1, and we set do, for example, I equal I plus 1, and we could use the while top or after operation, doesn't matter. I just want to mention something else, and we set loop while I is smaller than 5. And let's say message box finally the I. If I run, I by default it is 1, start counting 1, while the condition it is true. So while I it is smaller than 5, it is yes, going and repeating, and finally we will see the 5. While loop it is using for the condition is happening. So while it is smaller than 5, do your loop. We have another opposite loop named until. And it is exactly opposite. While the condition it is not happening, you're not facing with that. If I run this, you will see 2 because I set 1. Allow me to set it 0. Is adding 1. Is that I is smaller than 5? Yes. So if until getting yes, you will stop. So on the until, unlike the while, you have the opposite, something like that. And there it is, counting up to 6 because once first adding, then checking the condition. Of course, I could first move the until there and then adding any values. So if you set while condition, it is happening, gonna run. And if you're running until, you have to do exactly opposite. For example, while user entering the correct values, continue and repeat. Until it is saying until didn't user enter the correct value, ask entrance value.